What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy, man. I'm back, man. Welcome to SFN, where we get them bitches in pieces and we put them bitches together. So, man, I been chilling, man. My little homeboy said, I be watching your videos and shit, nigga. But I need to know how to start in the car business from the bottom. What would you do and how much would you start with from the bottom, bro? So, like, I hear what you're saying about how to find a deal. I understand all that. But if I gave you a budget, how would you start? So I'm just going to break this shit down like this here. Me, it's going to be different from me because I'm a little experienced than other people. But if I was unexperienced, I'll start with the cheaper cars if I was unexperienced too. This how it'll go, bro. I go to a police auction. I find me a little Toyota Camry, a little Honda, or something that's wrecked, like on the side or something. I buy that for $800 or $900. I replace the doors on it or whatever myself, cause there's something easy to do unless you know it's bent all the way in and it need a little framework. But if it ain't bent all the way in, you know what I'm saying, too bad on the side and they don't need no framework, it just need things replaced. I buy that car for $800 or whatever from a police auction or something like that, and I will buy it and I will get it painted or whatever. Just saying, like, I'm not gonna paint it myself. I take it to Maaco, little $200 paint job or whatever. So now I spent $800 on the car. I probably spent, I say $150 on the doors or something, and I spent $200. So I'm probably up. I say, let's just say I put about $1,300 or $1,400 in the car. Now what I do once the car driving, I turn back around and try to sell that car for $3,000. But I short sell. I have a couple prices that I will let it go for. I listed for $3,000. Somebody come with 25, it's gone. If it's a problem and it's taking too long to sell, I might sell it for $2,000 and turn back around and go to the auction again and get two cars off that one car that I just bought. Sell it for $2,000, go back to the auction and get two cars for $800. Let's say they need the same thing, and I'm gonna just keep doing the same thing until I run my bag up. So that's how I do it if I was unexperienced. But how I do it being experienced, I buy low. I go to the neighborhood, find somebody with a car that need a motor, a transmission, something wrong with the car, but they got the title, they own the car, and the body good. I get the car for $500, and I go to the salvage yard, get me a engine or a transmission for the low, maybe $250 to $300. I put it in myself. I ride the car for a couple months or whatever, or a couple, you know, just to see what it's doing or whatever for about a month or two. Then I list the car. I bought it for $500, depending on what year it is, depending on what make and model it is. I might list it for $1,500, depending on if it's an older car. If it's a newer car, I might list it for like $35 or $25. So that's what I do, is being experienced. You feel me? But if I had no clue about the business and I wanted to get into it, and I had money, I had a little money. Let's just say I had $3,000 laying around. What I do, I partner up with somebody that know what they doing. I come to a person like me, and I say, bro, how much can what type of car can I get with $3,000 at the auction? Or what kind of car could you find me for $3,000? I'm trying to buy and sell it. You know what I'm saying? Like, try to find me something good. So what I do is I say, okay, your budget $3,000. I go to the auction. I find something under $3,000. I find something maybe $2,000 or whatever. And then I had $1,000 in reserves to fix anything that's wrong with it. And then I sell the $2,000 car for maybe another $1,000 profit. I'll probably sell it for $3,500. And then I just keep repeating the same process until I, get it on the road. And I keep partnering with the same person that's experienced to get to the top. Just like that. That's how I do it. And like no other way, but that's the answer to your question, bro. And it's a lot of different ways to do it. Only my way ain't the right way. You know what I'm saying? Only how I make profit probably different from how the next person make profit. They might buy a car for $100 and sell that bitch for $8,000. But I'm just trying to be fair in the situation. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just trying to say realistic shit to help you understand how to do this shit. You know what I'm saying? But like that was just it, bro. That like I'm gonna hit y'all with that one. And I'm out, man. See you on the next one, bro. It's going up, baby. All this year, baby.